Generics let you write flexible, type-safe code without duplication. Think of them as reusable templates where one class or method works with any type without casting or boxing, giving you both flexibility and performance. Generic classes use placeholder types like this, where T represents any type. You can then create instances by defining T as a type. Generic methods look like this, where the type parameter appears in the method signature. Constraints limit T to specific types using the where T class for reference types or where Ti comparable for types supporting comparison, giving you added control. Generics power all the collections that you use like list and dictionary. They reduce runtime errors by catching type mismatches at compile time and improve performance by eliminating boxing for value types.